it's gonna look weird. I'll show you the video.
Where am I? Oh, there's a pirate. What?
This pirate is Adrian, and come inside my boat.
Huh?
Come inside my boat.
Okay. Oh shoot, he just took off his clothes. He's a police officer. Come on, wait, how did I even get here again?
We're running away from the cops. We got some illegal substance.
No, last time we got arrested, I remember, because we gave diabetes to someone on the bakery shop. But how did we end up in this house? Like, by cargo? A portal? How did you take us here?
I don't know.
Do you have any friends? Oh, wait a minute, where's the cure?
Oh yeah, I forgot to put in the cure.
Okay, well, whatever. Oh, look at this. Peasant. What is it?
Amarillo, don't worry. We're gonna go to an island. We're gonna sell these flowers, and then we're gonna make some money.
Okay. So, if you guys didn't know the storyline, here it is. We worked at a pizza place because we had no money, and Adrian did something specific to the truck. He flipped it over somehow. I don't know how you did that, but after that we got fired. And after we got fired, we wanted another job because we broke. So after we got fired, we worked at a bakery. We gave a cake to someone, and they got diabetes. After that, he sued us, and we went to jail. And in jail, Adrian did drugs, lots and lots of drugs.
I did not.
Yeah, and after Adrian did drugs, he dragged me over here, and I don't know where I am now.
There's the game plan. We're gonna sell these flowers to somebody. We're gonna make a lot of money, so we can. Yes, you know what?
What do you mean make a lot of money? I got 6,164 diamonds and 1,899,086 coins.
No, I mean a lot more money, like 100 million. And this basically what's gonna
How much
happen.
money do you have? 4,456.
Yeah. You know why I don't have no money left?
Why?
I kind of spent all my money building this boat.
What an useless. Wait, where'd you even get the flowers from then?
I saw them from your mom's house.
Okay, that takes guts. You know a person who could beat you up. That takes guts, okay?
Yeah.
You have a nice day, sir. I jump off the boat.
No. But yeah, I kind of spent all my money building this boat. And yeah, I need to get this money back, you know?
Okay. So yeah, we're gonna earn the money back.
I don't know, which direction are we going?
I don't know. Let me just check the radar. It says we are going forward.
No, but which direction? North or south?
North.
You idiot, we need to go south.
Wait, the radar's broken. Let me just hit it one more time. Oh, it says it's going south.
Okay.
Very good.
Okay. Where do we need to go, west or east?
West.
We're going west? You idiot,
No, we're going east. I said we're not supposed to go west. We're supposed to go east.
Oh, okay.
Oh God. What happened over there? Is that your cousin? Is that your cousin on that boat?
No.
What did you do to him?
What?
What did you do to your cousin? Your cousin was on that boat.
Yeah, and what?
Yeah, I hated him too. It doesn't matter.
So far I'm making some moolah. So far I'm making $10,000.
Okay, nice.
Don't worry, we're gonna have.
I have 2,100,704.86. 704,000. No, 174,086.
And after this, we can make $10 million.
10 million moolah. Gonna get that paper, cream, cash, money, paper.
And with that $10 million, we can finally do something I always wanted to do.
Where?
Find out and
pay my mom back for all the cars I destroyed. That's what you were thinking, right?
What?
Pay back my mom all the money I stole from her.
No.
Oh.
Find out in episode 11.
Yeah, find out on episode 11. To be honest, do you even think we're gonna make it into that island?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure we are.
Okay, whatever. How are your flowers not on flames right now?
I have no idea.
Why is there acid blocks like on the side of the boat?
I have no idea.
How did you even build this boat? Like, the materials on this cost like 2 pennies from the dollar store.
Oh yeah.
How is this boat so cheap and still so resistible?
I don't know.
And how did you buy spikes? How did you afford that?
I'm not something. I didn't buy it. I bought it for $2 coins.
Oh. Well, that's sad.
But those 2 coins were all the money I had.
I mean, this is a pretty good deal.
So far, I made $14,000.
You know, I think maybe, yeah, that was a very good deal. You technically didn't spend any money. You actually got paid to use this boat.
Yep. But I'm pretty sure that guy was a witch or a wizard.
A witch, or a wizard, or a witch, or a wizard, or a witch, or a wizard, or a...
Hey, but you know what? For some reason, that guy had a koala next to him.
Oh, we're just bored on this. How long until we get there?
It's 5 more minutes.
Oh, okay. So guys, stay here for 5 more uncomfortable minutes.
Amanda, don't worry, we got this. Amanda, I don't feel so good.
Yeah, me neither.
I'm very seasick.
I'm not that seasick. You know, this reminds me of a story where I sound like a grandpa right now. So yeah, once I was like in Florida or in Houston, I think. My mom told me to take these pills because it wouldn't make me seasick because we're going on a boat. And I said no, I'm not gonna take them. They're disgusting. And then I told her, you need to pay me $20 if I don't get seasick. And I didn't get seasick. It was perfect. Oh, my mom's calling me right now. What a coincidence.
I am a little. Here's a story how I got high when I was 2 years old.
Alright, I'm back.
Amanda, don't worry. Just a couple more minutes until we reach the island.
Oh God, what are these skeletons?
We almost reached the island. But I guess the witch lives here. Yeah.
Oh God, the chances of us surviving what is happening to our boat?
Amanda, I don't feel so good anymore.
Oh, shut up, Spider-Man.
What?
That was a weird joke. So, like, you know how in, like, the Thanos movie, Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good.
Wait, what? I don't watch Thanos.
Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good. And then he gets Infinity erased.
I don't watch that.
Everyone, comment down below, kill Adrian because he doesn't watch Thanos movie. I'm gonna make a petition, kill Adrian. I'm gonna get 25,000 people to sign it.
If 2 people already watched your video,
Me, you and myself. Oh God. Guys, I don't think we're gonna make it. Guys.
Don't worry, we're gonna make it.
Oh no! We just fell into a giant Kamehameha!